welcome to part 8 of the VFR800 engine rebuild series. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the oil pan. As you can see, I've got the engine upside down. This is the oil pan here. It's held on with bolts that take a 10mm socket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break all of these loose just now. So here we go. First one, I'm going to do them in a crisscross pattern, as this is the way that the Haynes manual advises you to do it. Okay, so that's those bolts broken loose. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take them out. Bolt looks good condition. So I'm just going to work my way around and get all of these bolts out. Like there's 12 bolts holding a sump on. This one isn't actually holding a sump on, it's just holding that bracket on. I'm not sure what that bracket's for, but we'll figure that out when we put the engine back together again. Okay, so that's all of those bolts out that are holding the oil pan. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bracket. There's also a bracket on the other side which I just missed. So let's get that off. Okay, so that's that bracket off as well. Right, so that's the oil pan now unbolted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a tap with the rubber mallet. Okay, that seems to be loose, so we'll just see if that'll now lift off. Right, so that's the oil pan off. All looks quite good. Have a look inside the engine. So this is the first time that I've actually seen inside the bottom end of the engine. So here we've got the oil pickup with the mesh filter. We've got various kind of pipe work. I believe this part here is the oil pump. We can see the chain that drives the oil pump there from the clutch. We've got, I think these are oil return pipes. They'll return oil from the engine. Let's see, so we've got the crankshaft in there, we've got the crankshaft weights, can see the conrods. There's a conrod going up into the bottom of that piston. You can actually just see the bottom of the piston skirt and the bottom of the bore. We've got bolts here that are holding the bearings, the bearing shells for the crankshafts, I believe. So it all looks quite good condition. It's the first time I've really seen inside the bottom of an engine, to be quite honest, but first impressions are it's all quite kind of healthy. So over the next few days and weeks all of this is going to be coming apart, and we'll get a better look at all these components.